We already saw plenty of diecast cars that suffered at the hands of their little owners. This Chevrolet Corvette was not only kit painted, but later someone tried to take off the paint with what looks like a screwdriver. This should be a challenge. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
The Matchbox Chevrolet Corvette was introduced in 1979 and remained in production until 1993. In 1983, production was moved from England to Macau, and from 1993 on the model was made in China. In the impressive lifespan of 14 years, the model came in a variety of colors and liveries. The model is based on the 1976 Chevrolet Corvette C3, the third generation of the American sports car. The more modern streamlined C3 design was largely based on the Mako Chalk 2 concept car, designed by General Motors in 1965, and gave the Corvette a striking modern look which still holds up today. Our Model 1 was the first metallic red Superfast version, but very little remains of its former glory, other than some glimpses of red paint underneath layers of white and green. At one point someone apparently tried to get the paint off by scratching it with a screwdriver, leaving deep grooves in the paint. I sincerely hope that the screwdriver only scratched the paint and not the casting, and I do have some nice Corvette wheels lying around. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover.
Disassembly and preparation. painting and detailing. Reassembly time.
This superfast Chevrolet Corvette had suffered greatly at the hands of previous generations. It was painted over several times with white, green and even splotches of black. The paint got on the wheels, windows and bottom plate. And on top of that, someone made some deep grooves with a screwdriver. I do like a challenge, and this makeover didn't turn out too bad. The sanding and polishing paid off and I managed to remove most of the scratches. Only when you look very closely under the light you can still see some very thin lines. I cleaned up, polished and retrobited the window so it looks transparent again and gave the car some extra detailing and 4 Chevrolet wheels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.